When your stylist texts you, "Hey boo," is the absolute worst. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Tiffany. I do everything from fitness to beauty to fashion to unboxings to all of the things. So everything you need is right here on my channel. So make sure you subscribe. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing these GOO GOO Hair clip-ins. This is one box, y'all. So this is 9 pieces. This is in the color number 2, and then I believe these are 14 inches. So 9 pieces, 14 inches, color number 2. For today's video, I'm going to actually show you how I wear my clip-ins with a hat or a scarf, and then at the end there's a little bonus. I'm going to show you how these clip-ins look on my head with just one box. I would totally recommend getting 2 boxes so that you can get a nice full install, but I wanted to show you that it is doable with one box. So for this portion of the video, I'm just going to show you how I am installing the clip-ins. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this portion of the video, and I'll be back with my overall thoughts. Okay, and I am back, y'all. Okay, so this is how the extensions look with my hat on. Now I'm just going to show you how it looks with a scarf, but I'll go ahead and get into my overall thoughts on these clip-ins. I absolutely love the GOO GOO Hair clip-in extensions. They are super natural. They are amazing. Also, I do want to add that after doing this portion of the video, I did go in and wash and condition my extensions. They were great, very minimal shedding. Here I'm just showing you how it looks with the wind blowing. As you can see, it still looked very natural. And then I also wore my clip-in extensions at the gym to see how they will hold up, and they held up absolutely amazing. No tangling, no shedding, and whatnot. So here I am just showing you how these clip-in extensions look with one pack of hair. Again, I would suggest getting 2 boxes. They come with 9 pieces each, so I think 2 boxes is actually really perfect, but it can be done if you want to wear a ponytail or something quick and easy if you only have 1 box of these clip-ins. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It lets me know that y'all like this content and you want more. Also, don't forget to subscribe and of course turn on your post notifications. Thank y'all so much for checking out this video, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.